Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon, and evening. So today, me and my team would like to present our project, which is plant disease detections. So this project is basically to fulfill our final project for software engineering class. Okay, a little bit about our app. So this app is based on crop diseases are a major threat to food security, but their rapid identifications remain difficult in many parts of the world due to the lack of the necessary infrastructure. The combination of increasing global smartphone penetration and recent advances in computer vision made possible by deep learning has paved the way for smartphone-assisted disease diagnosis. Using a public dataset of 85 more images of disease and healthy plant leaves, collected under controlled conditions, we train a deep convolutional neural network to identify 38 crop species and 3 to 5 diseases for absent thereof. The trained model achieved an accuracy of 97 more percent on a health audit test set, demonstrating the feasibility of this approach. And overall, the approach of training deep learning models on increasing large publicly available image datasets represent a clear path towards smartphone-assisted crop disease diagnosis on a massive global scale. In making this project, me and my team, has separated the role. So let me introduce myself. My name is Huang Jianrui as a project manager, and in this project, I also need researchers, which be held by Moon Tang, and I need data analysts from Liu Taiyo, and database engineer is held by Yang Seyin.
Hello everyone. So today I will explain about the project's goals. There's three project goals here. The first one is help farmer and gardeners to help them identify the plant disease, and then the second is train CNN model, and the third is automate identification system. Next is project scope. So the application have a six point here. The first one is take a picture, the second is select image, and the third is high accuracy model. And then the application can see scan history, and then can identify 38 corpse, and then the last one is lightweight application.
Next, I will explain about the system requirement that we use. The first one is for the mobile. The user must have the Android phone with at least 1 GB of RAM, also need an internet connection, and at least Android Lollipop 5.0. For the server, because we need lot of power for the data training, we use AMD Threadripper, 64 GB of RAM, 10 TB of SSD, which in the reality we will only use 5 because we adopt the RAID 0 system. So the 5 is for the main storage and the other 5 is for the backup storage, because we don't want to lose our data in case of anything happen. Next, for the operating system, we will using the Linux Ubuntu. Also, we need internet connection for the data transfer. Next, for the system architecture, the system is built in Android Studio and uses the smartphone application as the operation interface. Smartphone will send data to the internet to process the prediction and send back the result. Users can use all functions on the application. The software used in the system is as follows. First one, the operating system uses minimum Android Lollipop 5.0. The database uses SQLite. Also for the machine learning, we will using the TensorFlow Lite because we need the small size for the model. And then the last one is the web server adopts Apache 2 inclusive or above. Next is the system hardware. The machine learning platform host or virtual machine. The first one is the operating system. We will use the Linux Ubuntu 14.04 or above. For the database, we use MySQL, and the web server adopts the Apache 2 inclusive or above. and the programming language should use Python 3.0 or above. And for the mobile, as I mentioned before, we will using at least Android Lollipop version 5.0 or above. Also at least the minimum of memory of 1 gigabyte.
In here for our app we have the menu. It is a home menu. In the home menu we have scan, quick tips, about us, plan list, and the history. Here here is the scan menu. We have two options. It is camera and gallery, so the user can pick the image from the camera directly or from the gallery. And here we have the example of a gallery image. So in the gallery, user can choose the image from the other folder like download, camera of WhatsApp image, or maybe from the line like that. And here is we have the scan menu. And the scan menu is after we choose the image and then the result is shown. After that we can see the history. It is saved in the mobile database. And here is the example of the results. So after we choose the image, whether from the photo or the camera, and then it will detect the planned disease and the confidence the score. And here before we using the scan, we have some instruction like what plan that support with this image and what should to do. And here we have a plan list, and here we have the tips for how for the beginner user using this app like that.
Alright, after several explanations from my teammates, so we here have the conclusions. So the project scope encompasses several key features, including the ability to capture image directly within the app, the option to upload image from device gallery, and the maintenance of a local database for tracking these identification results over time. The application covers a wide range of crop and disease, ensuring a broad coverage and usefulness across different agriculture contexts, with a demonstrated accuracy of 97 more percent on the test data. Users can have confidence in the reliability of disease identification results. So that's our conclusion of this project. So quote for today: gardening is a fun activity and provides a refresher in our daily life. It's from Alexander Aronowitz. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hello guys. So today I want to demonstrate our mobile app, plant disease classifier. So here we have a corn leaf. So I'm gonna use this mobile app to determine whether this corn leaf is good or not. Okay. So first we can use a scan now feature here, and then we use camera. Okay, we're gonna use this for example. Okay, here okay it show is this corn leaf have corn maze common rust confidence for 79, and here we can see that this corn leaf have common rust. So I can say this mobile apps it's work.